Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate Loropetalum plant from stem cutting. Loropetalum is an evergreen perennial ornamental beautiful foliage decorative house plant or shrub. It is mainly native to China, Japan and Southeast Asia. This plant mainly grow as a ground cover and hedges also. Loropetalum is a very low maintenance and easy to grow house plant. In this video I am going to show you how to propagate Loropetalum plant from stem cutting. Okay, let's start. First of all, take some healthy stem cutting from the main plant. Now I am make potting mix for Loropetalum plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% normal garden soil, 20% vermicompost or fully decomposed cow dung and 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Take a plastic cup or any kind of pot and make some holes bottom of the plastic cup and fill it with potting mix. Take this cutting and plant into the potting mix. It is a very easy to grow and don't require any kind of rooting powder. Finally, thorough watering and keep it partial shade place. After 3 weeks, cuttings look like this. Roots are very well developed within 3 weeks. Look at this root development. Now we transplant into the individual pot. Finally, thorough watering. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.